근데 피크도 찍어, 난 피크도 찍었다.
Got it?
There we go. You good?
Oh my god.
I'm just getting it ready to paint.
Okay, good morning TV crew. We are back to slide shop. Whew, I just finished the cleaning up. That's the reason why I need to catch up my breath. Today we took down the roof finally, and then Mark is working outside to prep the painting and varnish. So while he's working outside, I'm gonna put insulation finally. So this one is our old insulation we bought in Korea. I guess you can see definitely it's from Korea because it's Prime Korea. We are gonna recycle our old insulation because she's is pretty good conditions. So we are gonna use a spray glue and then put it up there, and then rest of the insulation we needed, we are gonna use the insulation we bought it last time. Like marshmallow that cannot fit in the van, that kind of insulations. Alright, let's do it. We start to do the varnish on our slats. I'm gonna show you how it turns out. This is the sidewall slats. We did only one coat so far on this one, and it changed color a little bit because our varnish has a little bit of dye, the color in it. We are behind of the schedule, so we are kind of like, let's do it, let's try it, and hopefully it will work with well our gray backing, roof and sidewall. But we are gonna see how it turns out later.
This is our old insulation, right?
Oh. 타나. 타네?
But I mean, it goes out, right?
Yeah.
See that?
Oh, okay. So fire.
Burns, but it goes out.
Yeah.
This is the new insulation.
새로 산 거. I'm kind of worried.
See that? It doesn't even burn.
이건 타지도 않네?
Yeah, but once it burns, it goes out too.
그러면 똑같은 거네 거의.
Yeah, I mean, they're all made this way to be flame retardant, so that even if they catch on fire, they go out quickly.
두 개 같이 해볼래? 미안. Old one is.
Yeah, old one's burning. Ow.
Good
the old
test.
one started burning a little bit, but the new one just went out.
근데 이거 어떻게 꺼? 와. Alright guys, we just test our insulations because we are not sure that it's a fire resistant or not, because we got that one in there where they are making cushions, and that is like we heard from side that made for the sleeping bag. So maybe there is a possibility that maybe fire resistant.
Yeah.
And then how is the result?
So this is our old insulation. We know that it's fire resistant. I mean, of course, anything can catch on fire, right?
Yeah.
But you can see that it melted, but never really caught on fire. This one did when I held it for a long time in the butane flame. It started finally really caught on fire, but it went out eventually.
Yeah.
This is the new insulation. Same thing. It would like catch on fire, but instantly go out. But this one never ever sustained a flame like this one did.
Yeah.
And this one is supposed to be flame resistant.
Yeah. Right.
But anyways, it's not fiberglass. It's plastic. So if you burn it long enough, it will catch on fire.
Yeah.
But we'll take a lot of safety precautions when we do the wiring.
Yeah. So anyways, that's what we tested. I think it's not like making the like whole fire thing. So.
Yeah, but it's not like cotton where it's like poof, like
Yeah,
huge flame, right?
Because I think when I speak in Korean, I say like 솜 같은 거. So like cotton
Yeah.
like it, because like it would be more easy to understand that how we get the material, because they're like they're literally selling the furniture and the cushion and blanket one.
Yeah.
But some people misunderstood that part because I used the wrong word. But yeah, we tested. It's super good. Yeah, but anyways, we are pretty safety people.
Yeah.
So we are gonna like put a lot of safety things.
Yeah, and when I do wiring, I'm not like an expert, so I always
Overkill.
go overkill. I use too thick of wire. I double up the fuses, so
And then we always say the safer sorry than safe.
better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Let's find the wire and everything. Let's do it. 와이어링을 하도록 하겠습니다.
With our special wiring tools.
We forgot the tools at home. Yeah. Got it.
The red wire will go to the positive there, you see? Where's the plus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay guys, Lucy asked me to show you what I did with the wiring. She's busy still doing installation. Installation looks really good. Anyways, there's my wiring there. It starts from down there, goes across, goes up along the roll bar. And
Sorry. Insulation in my mouth.
Drink some water. Okay, so it's pretty simple, but I'll just explain what I did. First of all, our battery bank and all the power electrical stuff will probably be around here. We thought about drilling through this fiberglass wall here, through here, but that's like several holes that we had to go through. So we decided just to do one hole here. So I drilled through and I put a rubber grommet there to make sure the wires don't chafe or get cut. And then they'll come along here into the power area. There's a couple sets of wires here. One is from our fan, comes out here. You can't see it right now because it's covered by insulation. It comes right over here. You can just see that wire there. And then there's a second wire, this one, that also goes all the way across. And you would think, well, why didn't I just use one wire and then tap both in? Well, this one runs on 12 volt. And these are for our LED puck lights. There will be 3 of them that go right across the middle of the roof. And those will run on 24 volt. This one will go down and go down to a 12 volt step down converter, which will be down here. And these guys will go straight to our house battery, which will be 24 volt. The main line goes right across like that. And then these smaller lines tap from the main line and we'll go to the puck light like this. Okay, so that's the wiring, pretty simple. And now as soon as Lucy finishes the installation, we can move on to putting the roof back up and the sidewalls.
Yeah.
But before we can do that, we have to assemble them first. And actually, all of our camera batteries are dead right now. So we will probably not film that part, but we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Right?
Is it connected?
Yeah, done.
지금 마크가 한 거는 지금 와이어링 테스트를 하기 위해서 저희가 가지고 있는 배터리를 연결해봤습니다. Do you think it work?
Cross your fingers. Oh, wow, that turned on right away.
아 진짜?
I better open this sucker.
Oh my god, it's working? 야 라이트 들어와 있네.
Wow. Barely touched it.
나도 해볼래. 이 카메라 들고 있어봐. 시원하다. 근데 맞나? 오. 야, 혹시 시원하다. 아웃. 인.
Ooh. Oh wow, it's cool. It's the temperature control.
해볼게.
Yeah.
터치인가?
Yeah, it's touch, right?
이야, 되네. 근데 이거 어떻게 끄는데? 이렇게 끄는 거야.
The power button. Yeah.
여기서 터치인 것 같다.
Yeah.
이야,
Works
잘했네.
well.
잘했네.
You like it? Thumbs
근데
up?
중요한 게 이제 팬을 어떻게 청소를 하느냐.
Yeah, well, we have a little solution for that. Okay.
We are such a beginner for the fan. It's the first time I have a roof fan. We had a van for 4 years without the roof fan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Cool.
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 Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Hold on a second, let me just scoot back a little bit. There we go. Nice. There you go, good job.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
So we never explained this one before. Okay, guys, sorry for this dark. But we just installed, and then this part wasn't there before when we were putting the roof. You know, the problem we have it is, you know, we like the design of the roof fan is a little bit covered, so like the hole is a little bit smaller than the roof fan right now, but we can cut it out. If we cut it, it would be kind of weird shape to go into slat, but right now we like to have this kind of like design. But the problem is right now it's fine, it's brand new, and then there is no potential to break down. I hope. But eventually some part we might need to fix it for the roof fan. And that time, if we want to fix the roof fan and taking down the older wall and the side wall, it's kind of pain in the butt. So we make the idea that like we can pull out and then push forward and back, and then we can access to the roof fan screws that, you know, we can do it.
Actually do that. Oh wow, it's so strong.
Yeah, right?
Oh, but it's possible.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a lot stronger than I expected.
Yeah. So we use neodymium magnet. Actually, previous our van build we used neodymium magnet a lot too, but this time it's less. But yeah, it worked. And then we use a small one, but yeah, it's strong enough to hold it. And then
You see on the mark. Wow, it's good. It's very good. Thank you. What about wiring?
Wiring is here,
Yeah.
and it goes through
over
here.
there.
Wow, very good.
I made them long because when we install the roof, it's kind of hard to reach,
Right.
so just made them extra long.
So I let you work.
All right.
Okay.
There you go. And get this down there.
Oh my god. What is that? Is this screw? Oh my god.
What?
Did you screw?
No.
This kind of use the wrong hole.
Huh?
You use the wrong hole when you.
Oh,
Left.
screw the back. Ah, no. You want to tell them what happened?
I'm sorry for you guys because it's getting dark, and inside we are kind of finally finishing this one, but actually we couldn't. We have to take down the wall because we used the wrong hole. This one is supposed to be mounted the wall, but we used this one as the holding the slat. So
Good
Yay.
job, Lucy.
good job, Mark. I did installation. Look at that, how perfect it is. Look at this. We put the varnish 2 times, and you can see the more wood grain. Should I say wood grain is more pop up. And then previously, maybe some people noticed that we have a gap between our frame to the this window box here. So we were thinking like how we are gonna fill it up, because like yeah, we can leave the gap in there, but eventually we are gonna lose the pencils or credit card or any card, business card. So like we found the sum of solutions. I think I have it here. Okay, we use this. It is for window, actually, window gap filling or insulations. So we attach it around the window box. You can see colors are quite similar, and we put the 2 layers. It's kind of like a spongy, and then bottom, maybe you can see a little bit here. It fill up the gap pretty good. Overall, I really like the how it turns out, and the wood slats like. This slats a little bit darker than you know what we had it before because of varnish, but yeah, I like it. So far so good. Awesome. Yeah, let's finish up the front cabinet and back cabinet, and I can show you more details later. Do you like it?
I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
근데 피크도 찍어, 난 피크도 찍었다.
우리 그거 없어서